Hello and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset our tunable COB driver. Now, as you can see, the driver is connected to the power supply and also to the light. Okay, so you can see the connections here. On the input side, there is phase and neutral connected, and on the output side, connect the positive wire in plus, negative wire in minus, and negative wire in minus as well. To reset the driver, you have to toggle the switch for 7 times. Okay, so now the driver is in off condition. Now if you switch it on, that becomes 1, and then if you switch it off, that becomes 2. Now let's to reset this driver. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Now the device got reset. If you want to check it, open your mobile Wi-Fi settings. If you see the hotspot here, that means the device got reset. If not, please follow the same instructions to reset the device again.